What? Okay, it's recording.
Olivia, just in case you ever do what we have to do, or if we ever never get, good friends ever again, here's a little report of our friendship. Ready, set, and go! Cold. That's really cold. I was hoping for that.
Now record me.
I'm cold.
Okay. Oh, you just shoved it right in my face. Olivia, this is you and your sledding, so we can remember your friendship. I'm gonna move out of your way. Go ahead. What are you doing? Are you being lazy bum?
Okay, here I go.
So awesome.
I don't think we're ever not going to be friends. We have too many good memories.
You want to do it again? You can do it again.
Oh, and Olivia, just to remember, it is January 23rd, and yesterday I got my ears pierced, and it was Friday, and just to let you know, just to remember.
And it's 2016.
Yep. Just to let you remember. Please don't ever ruin this tablet because you're never going to keep these videos.
Mm-mm.
You know that.
Yeah.
Why does my curse have to be there? Okay, want to go inside, Olivia?
Yeah.
And now bye.
Bye.